Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're rolling into fall. We're out camping again this weekend and we have an awesome new product to show you. This is one we've been wanting for a long time. Very hard to find in the US. It's on a lot of Japanese and Korean and Asian camping channels, and she's always wanted one. A company that actually reached out to us about a different product had this on their website, so I asked them about it and they gladly sent it to us. So we wanted to bring this to you. It's a fun product for cooking and just sitting around camp. So we're going to show you this. The company is called CalmCrest, and this is the iron grill table. Very popular overseas. I don't know why it hasn't really ever taken off here, or they just haven't marketed it here, but we're going to try to change that because I think it's cool. So you got this carrying case, 2 pockets. Here it is out of the case. The table legs, you just flip like that. It's got these little tabs that you pull out. And kick the legs out. There's your base. So what's next? Well, you have these fold out faux wood panels. It's not real wood, but it's got a cover. They also make a black version, I believe. So if you'll notice, this is a 5-panel piece. So you just set it in. And you slide it over. Fits right under this little curved tab. Then you got a 4-piece. And another 5-piece. Kind of gotta make sure the base is spread out. And there you go. So you're probably thinking, it's just a table. You're right. At this point, it's just a table. There are these little side rods that slide right into these tabs that you pulled out. Of course, I just happen to be missing one of these other small ones for this side. I'll have to look in our other stuff because we've already used this table when we were out tailgating with Jack last week, and it probably didn't get put away correctly, but we'll solve that. Then it has these little hooks, leather snap hooks that you can put on here and hang your cups or your bowls. Now there's a few other variations of these kind of tables. And there is one brand that you can get this kind of table in the US, but it's called Snow Peak, and I'm sure some of you guys might have heard of them, but it's extremely expensive. They make a lot of nice aluminum or titanium stuff, but we're really happy with this CalmCrest one because it's affordable. So now let's show you what else we can do with this thing, because at this point it just looks like a normal camping table. It is height adjustable. It's got these little tabs. I'm not sure. This is one thing that's different about their version is I don't think the other ones are all height adjustable, but this one is. Very cool. I would caution you, don't use these side pieces as a way to pick it up because they'll just pop out. That's one like design flaw, if there was a negative about it, I would say. Because they just go in this slot. There's no little cap over this to keep them in. Or this slot should have actually been the other way. But, all right, let's show you what else you can do with this thing. All right, so here's part 2. Take out your 2 pieces for a second. And what do we have in this case? Now this you can buy separately. You don't have to get it with the table, but it's kind of, you need it if you're gonna use the table how it's made to be used. A very nicely packaged stove. Butane. It's got, you can put a butane can under here. You will need an adapter if you're gonna use butane, because this has a screw-on type of attachment, which normally you would use like the Jetboil cans, the little LP cans. So you can do either way. The butane's cheaper and goes a little longer. I'm not gonna put the can in yet, but this sets right in there. And there you go, the iron grill table. So you don't need the 4 slot when you're doing the cooking. And realistically, we would just use it like this 99% of the time. So it's got a little gas flow control, the igniter. I was having problems with the igniter last week. I don't know if it needs a battery or not. I haven't looked, didn't look at the instructions honestly, but it's an awesome little table, height adjustable. And now you can cook and sit at the same time. If you're wondering why or what the purpose is, we can put some links to our favorite Asian, Korean, Japanese camping channels, and you'll see it put to more use. There are some more elaborate ones with lantern hangers on them and all kinds of stuff. They're just, it's fun. It's a cool little camping gadget. I think we both love it. You just don't see it a lot over here, almost ever. I think I've only seen one other guy with one. But now you can get this here in the US from CalmCrest. We'll put links below. We will show you it in action a little bit more in just a few minutes, because we're going to do our coffee and breakfast. And yeah, thanks for joining us. Check it out. There should, I think we'll have a discount code that we'll put in. So you just need your standard butane can. You can get just about anywhere. Show you how this works. Turn this upside down. So I have a little adapter that I got off of Amazon. I'll put it in our Amazon store if you want to check it out, which adapts it to the butane. That's not a screw-on type. Just stick it on in the slot and turn it, and then it's in. The can goes like that. Oh, this also has legs on it if you were to want to just use this as its own. It's got 4 legs. And we'll put this back in. And you can configure this however you want. You can go down here. At that point, I think you gotta slide out and use the 4 panel, because the 5 panels don't fit together, because this doesn't go under this plastic end piece. More often than not, you see this in the middle of the table, and that's how it's generally made to be used. And we're ready to cook and have coffee. So if you think this is something you guys want, I'll put links. Oh, those dang side pieces, they're almost, that's the one thing they gotta change. If you bump them, it flies right out. So if you're gonna pick it up and move it, use this part that's under these things to pick it up. These are not good for picking up. They're basically made as decoration and to hang your stuff from. But if it's something you guys think you're interested in, we'll put links below. Check out CalmCrest. They have a few other camping items on their page. We have an inflatable, self-inflating air mattress to show you down the road here from them, and we're excited to work with them. And this definitely is a sponsored video, but we wanted to show this to you because we think it's something cool. We like it. You don't see it a lot, and it just can mix up your camping a little bit. Something different. So we'll see you guys on the next gear review. Gears on Tuesday, trips on Thursday. Thanks for joining us. Like, follow, and subscribe. We'll see you soon.
Sunday party, let's call it a perfect weekend.